So what you're saying is for your entire life, you have never prepared a meal other than cold cereal.
Do you count coffee?
Instant or brewed?
Well, I brew it, so I must count for a whole meal then.
Okay, that's two things.
Coffee and iced tea.
Oh, and iced tea. Well,
I
three
make
things.
I make that very good too.
But that's pretty much it?
Well, you can't count the ice because I don't have anything to do with that.
Okay.
No, but other than that, my real strong suit is cereal in the morning.
Okay.
I do a hell of a job of that.
So what I'm thinking, Dad, is you're only young once. So how about your very first cooking lesson?
That wasn't on my bucket list. Where's the beef?
You're going to do this whole meal by yourself.
I know.
And a stir fry is great because it's healthy, it's quick, it's easy, and you don't really have to measure anything. You just kind of throw it together. This is called a frying pan.
I know that. I watched my wife cook, so I know what the utensils are.
Okay, now you have to
This is
sprinkle
olive oil.
a little bit of olive oil on the bottom so nothing sticks.
Nothing sticks.
That's pretty good.
Okay.
Right there. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. We'll let that warm up just a little bit. We're going to do a chicken broccoli cashew stir fry.
What?
Chicken broccoli cashew stir fry.
Cashews.
Cashew. Like
What's
nuts. Cashews?
Oh, nuts. Oh, cashews. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so next, that
Good.
oil is getting hot, so you want to put all those chicken pieces in.
Just throw them in.
Yeah, just throw them in. I'll hold the bowl for you. Now, when that starts sizzling, you want to they call it a stir fry because you keep kind of stirring it around until it gets nicely browned.
Nicely.
So so that'll heat up in just a second.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm positive.
You sure you know what you're doing? Okay.
You're asking me?
Yeah, I'm asking you.
Yeah, and you just start flipping that chicken over. See, it's going from pink to white. And then pretty soon it's going to get a little bit of a golden color, and that's exactly what you want on it.
It's boiling.
Well, it's frying. Oh, look at that. Wow. Are you sure you haven't done this before?
Yes, I'm positive. We're going to eat this, really?
Yeah, if it's edible.
Okay.
Depends on what kind of job you do.
Okay. I mean, it should all be white.
Pretty much, yeah. That's perfect.
Mm-hmm.
Now, this is a little bit of flour.
Okay.
I want you to just sprinkle it over the chicken. And then give it another stir because we want to get that flour cooked off. And see, what's going to happen is we're going to pour some chicken stock on there.
I bet you don't want to see this starting to burn.
No, that's just browning.
Oh.
It's looking great. Gotta get a little color on there. See, when we pour the chicken stock in, the flour that you put in, you're just gonna drizzle a little chicken stock. That will make a little bit of sauce.
Okay.
So it's just not a dry stir fry. It's got a little bit of a sauce to it. And the flour will thicken this.
Okay, what am I
So
doing?
now, pour some in there. Not too much, not too little.
Tell me when to stop.
That looks good, right about there. We're going to add some garlic.
Garlic?
This is already minced. So stick the spoon in there, and do you like garlic?
No.
Okay, well then don't put too much in. Sprinkle that in. It's great flavor, right?
Not enough?
Oh yeah, that's plenty.
I gotta get that spread around a little.
And then you want to add a little salt. What I do is I pour it into my hand so you don't dump the whole thing in. So put about a little bit more. Oh, that's good. Sprinkle that in there. Perfect. Color and vegetables.
Some what?
Some color with this.
Collards. Well, that's
No,
broccoli.
yeah, broccoli florets. Now these are steamed, so these are a little bit tender. So I'll just dump that in for you.
Now what do I do? Try and
Keep stir frying. Yeah, just mix all that in. Isn't it getting to be like colorful and
This is edible? You notice I'm doing this with my left hand. Think what I could do if I was right-handed. Ooh, hey. Next time I'll do it right-handed.
Oh, okay, great. How about blindfolded next time?
What you mean? I thought I was this time.
Now, we're almost done. The chicken should be cooked through. We're going to add 2 more things. Right at the end, I'm going to add a couple tomatoes that I chopped because that's beautiful color. And tomatoes, I don't want to cook it down till it's nothing. You want the tomato to still be in little chunks. So that will take a minute.
But the heat's not going to get to the tomatoes.
Well, you got to stir it around a little bit, mix that all up.
This is no fun. I mean, people do this every day? Huh?
Yeah.
That's bull. What's the matter with bologna sandwiches? I could do that easier. Why didn't you teach me how to make a bologna
Now
sandwich?
he's getting fancy. You're spinning the pan around, just showing off. You know, you can look at cooking 2 ways. You look at it like a chore or kind of a hobby.
Which is yours?
Oh, it's a hobby.
Oh, okay. All right.
Now, these are the cashews,
Yeah.
and you want to put these in at the very end because you don't want them to get soft. You want that crunch in there.
Keep it. What am I going to do now?
You add some of these. You can use your hand and put in as many as you want to. There are no rules in stir fries.
That should be enough, shouldn't it? Some more?
It's up to you. You're the chef.
Oh, that's enough.
That's good.
As far as I'm concerned. Now what do I do?
That's about it.
You don't put those in, huh?
All right, I'm going to turn the heat off. I'm going to give you a high five. Your
Yes.
first cooking lesson, that the only thing we have to determine is if it tastes good or it goes to the dog.
Okay, where's the dog? I got a feeling the dog is going to have a hearty meal. Hey, it's good.
Can you believe you made that? I mean, doesn't it look like something you get in an overpriced restaurant?
Uh-uh. It looks like something I put together by mistake.
Well, I have to taste it now, too. Are the seasonings okay? You like the nut? What's your favorite part about this?
Tastes good so far. The chicken tastes good. Nice and tender too.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'll try them. My least favorite broccoli.
Your least favorite vegetable?
Yeah, that's good.
Not bad. Did you
Every
get a
day.
cashew? Aren't the cashews great with it?
I don't know, I haven't seen any yet. Well, there they are. No, you could have fooled me. I didn't think this would be edible. It is good.
Well, Dad, congratulations on your very first cooking lesson. And do you want me to swing by tomorrow for lesson number 2?
No. I think I'll let rest on my laurels. We'll see how many people get ill tomorrow from eating this. And then we'll go from there.
Okay, perfect.
After we get them out of the hospital, we'll try another meal.
Okay.
But this is good. Huh.
Well, you did it. Full credit.
I'm surprised. I'm serious. This is good.